Take a ride on 2 Conveyor Loops, 10 Technologies by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently displayed over 10 technologies on 2 separate conveyors at a recent Pack Expo show. The loops featured SlimFit, Line, ModSort, bump turns, dual lane turners, ARB, PanelView Plus, transitions, and more. Loop 1 features the SlimFit, the Line, and the ModSort roller belt. You can see as the box smoothly goes across the SlimFit to our pre-engineered plastic chain Line conveyor. Both the SlimFit and Line are fast becoming industry standards. The ModSort does not use guide rails to make a perfect 90-degree transfer. Now let's take a GoPro ride on the conveyor. We start on the SlimFit and smoothly transition onto the Line pre-engineered quick ship plastic chain conveyor, where we take a curve, ultimately heading to the ModSort MDR technology-driven roller belt by SystemPlast. ModSort is guiderail-free, programmable, and easy to integrate. The low noise, low voltage system can transfer, divert, sort, and reorient a variety of shapes and sizes. Our SlimFit is toolless, sanitary, and hygienic, and is perfect for washdown conditions. Now let's move on to our second conveyor, which features bump turn, dual lane turner ARB, plastic tabletop chain, plastic mat top belting, LBP and Micropitch transitions, PanelView Plus controls. The bump turn and dual lane product turners use a simplistic approach for 90-degree turns. ARB or angled roller belt by interlocks can align, merge, sort, or change direction without guarding. Now let's take a ride on GoPro loop number 2. We start on the dual lane product turner, then go over the tight transfer Micropitch to the mat belt curve. We will then bump turn 90 degrees through an LBP transition to a left justified ARB, where we LBP transition back onto the tabletop plastic chain and start all over again. The orientation belts, plastic chain, plastic belt, Micropitch, tight transfers, and LBP transitions are all controlled by the PanelView Plus VFD touchscreen located adjacent to the ARB roller belt. This is just a glimpse of the ways we can move, turn, and transfer your products. Learn more by visiting www.multi-conveyor.com or call us at 1-800-236-7960. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.